You open an app to check the weather and somehow end up buying a $40 candle. Sound familiar? Impulse buying is not a willpower problem. It is a design problem. Brands spend billions engineering the exact moment your brain says yes before your wallet can say no. And once you understand how it works, you can finally stop falling for it. Your brain runs on two systems. One is slow, logical, and deliberate. The other is fast, emotional, and automatic. Impulse buying hijacks that second system every single time. When you see a limited time deal, your brain releases dopamine. Not because you bought something useful, but because you might be about to win something. That feeling of anticipation is the actual reward. The product is almost irrelevant. Retailers know this. That is why countdown timers, low stock warnings, and one-click checkout exist. Every one of those features is designed to shrink the gap between desire and purchase. The less time you have to think, the more likely you are to spend. There is also something called emotional spending. When you feel stressed, bored, or lonely, your brain seeks quick relief. Shopping delivers a short burst of control and pleasure. The credit card bill arrives later, but the emotional hit happens now. Your brain always prioritizes now. Social pressure amplifies all of this. Seeing someone else buy something triggers a fear of missing out. Influencers, flash sales, and trending products all manufacture urgency that was never real to begin with. So what actually helps? First, add friction. Remove saved card details. Make yourself wait 24 hours before completing any unplanned purchase. Second, identify your triggers. Are you shopping when you are tired, anxious, or scrolling late at night? Naming the trigger weakens its grip. Third, give your money a destination before you spend it. A clear budget does not restrict your freedom, it protects it. If this video made you think twice about your last impulse purchase, hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Drop a comment below telling us your biggest impulse buying trigger. We read every single one.